Hello, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I'd like to share with you the recipe for carrot dessert with pudding that you can prepare in a very practical way. In order to be informed about my new recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I have 7-8 large carrots, about 1 kilogram. I peeled and grated them into the pan. I add 1 cup of sugar on it. I mix it and take it to the stove. Let's cook it on medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until the carrots are soft. Look, the carrots release their own juice. And then it absorbs the water it has released. My carrots are softened. I take it from the stove. I cracked a pack of petit beurre biscuits on it. I add it in large pieces. Now I add 1 teacup of coarsely ground walnuts. I mix it well. I will prepare the pudding while my carrot mortar is waiting aside. I took 1 liter of milk into the pot. I add sugar slightly less than 1 cup. I add 2 full tablespoons of starch and 2 full tablespoons of flour. I mix it with the whisk until the lumps are gone. Then I take it to the stove. I'm constantly stirring it until it boils. As you can see, the pudding started to boil. I boil it for 3-4 minutes over low heat, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, I sprinkle some coconut into my square Pyrex. I slowly add the carrot mixture on it. I'm straightening it. I press it well with the help of a spoon. It's necessary to press on it well. I take the pudding from the stove and I take it into the whisking bowl. I add a pack of powdered whipped cream on it. I'm whisking it with the mixer. Now I add 1 pack of vanilla. I keep mixing. The consistency of the pudding should be a little thick. It is much beautiful that way. My pudding turned out to be a little fluid. You can make it a little thicker. Then I pour the pudding on the carrot mortar. I smooth it over and cover it with plastic wrap when it reaches the room temperature. I will keep it in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours. In fact, if you do it the day before and keep it in the fridge overnight, it will be much more better the next day. I didn't wait too long because I didn't have much time. I kept it in the fridge for about an hour and a half. I sprinkle some grated coconut on it now. I'm slicing my dessert. It looks very beautiful and it's very tasty. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.